I will log in using my own identity. And then I need to create the initial working area, and that is the master working area. So let's talk about working areas a little bit.
What are working areas?
With using working areas, you can kind of divide the project into parts and allow the members to join and take over work areas. Like I take over my desk and I work in front of that desk, but next time you can sit here and you can work here.
Yes.
So it's this sort of approach. We will show you in practice what this means. And so always there is one master working area that will be the common part for everyone. So now the master working area will contain everything that I have created previously. That will automatically be
up until
part
this
of that.
Everything will be slapped to the master working
yes,
area.
And because the master working area is so important, because that contains the basics of the project, the layer system, the structure, and so on. This is kind of supposed to have a password. So we really encourage everyone using the team project to protect that area,
yes.
Avoiding unwanted changes. Someone accidentally could change the master working area if you won't protect that with a password. So I will use another password. So it is the master working area granting me administrative rights, not my personality, not my identity that I use. So master working area will come with administrative rights, allowing me to change basics of the project. Okay, so it can take up to it can take a few minutes to be generated. So let's just wait.
Meanwhile, I see that the questions are coming in. At the end, we are going to look at them. Just keep the questions coming, and we will discuss them.
Please do
that.
Yeah.
What are you doing right now?
So now I'm waiting for this project to be created, and now that we talk about it, I think it's worth talk about how the whole system works. The whole system is based on a local area network approach. That means currently the project file itself, I did not tell you that before, but this project file is in a hard drive accessed by all the other computers here in the local area network. And so when you will use your computer to open this file, you will use that same file. It's not a copy of that file, that's the same file. And also we will talk about how you can archive or make backup copies.
Yes.
First things first, talking about the local area network administration. Of course, just as you likely do with other files of yours, you should have some sort of automated backup system to make backup copies, just as the team project as all the other files on your computer. So that's one part, but we will show you another method how you manually can create kind of backup copies of the team achievement, how you progressed.
Okay, so let's talk about working in teams, right? So this is the part when we actually start working as a team.
Yeah.
Or do we have to do something before that?
Yeah, well, first things first, we talked about the working areas, but I only created one working area, and that's something that we don't want to change later on, so I need to add more and more and more working areas to give space to everyone to do what they are the best in. So let's say, okay, let's go back to the file, teamwork, and there is the working area administration. And by the way, I've talked about user administration, that's also here. So working area administration, this comes with the default master working area.
So there's now one master working area, and now you want to add additional.
Yes, and as you can see, obviously I'm the current owner because I have created it, but once I leave the project, once I close ARCHLine, it will be automatically kind of a free space. So let's just add new working areas. I think you will work on the surrounding a little bit.
The surroundings and the neighboring buildings.
Okay, so let's just add one for the surrounding. And there will be a new working area for the neighboring buildings, right?
And I think we need something for the interior design elements and perhaps MEP.
Okay, let's add then something for interior design. And there will be another one for
MEP, let's say.
MEP,
This is just to illustrate that different
mechanical
professionals
and
can work on the same project at the same time.